Hey, I'm Nettie. Today on Nettie's Recipe Bowl, we're going to make pumpkin pie tarts. Everything you love in a pumpkin pie and in a bite-sized tart. And the crust is buttery, flaky with a secret ingredient, cream cheese. That's right, cream cheese. These tarts melt in your mouth. Start with our simple but oh so delicious cream cheese crust. You'll need just 3 ingredients. 1 cup of butter, which would be 2 sticks, an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, and of course you want your butter softened to room temperature also. We're going to beat this till it's creamy. Add in 2 cups of flour. And this is a sticky dough to begin with, so we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and chill it. And we can get our filling mixed up while that's chilling. Okay, we'll get this all stirred up. Make sure all the flour's mixed in there on the bottom. Okay, let's give this bowl a cover, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay, to make our pumpkin pie filling, we're going to need 1 can, 15-ounce can of pureed pumpkin. Now, you don't want the pumpkin pie filling. You want pureed pumpkin for this. 1 can of evaporated milk. 2 eggs. 3/4 cups of white sugar. A teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. A teaspoon of cinnamon. A teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And a good 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, preferably freshly grated. Pinch of salt. And we're just going to beat this until it's nice, creamy. Dough out of the refrigerator and chilling for about 30 minutes. That's just so it's easier to work with. And we're going to roll them into about 1-inch balls. We're going to get about 48 tarts out of this recipe. If you don't have a tart press like this, use your thumb. Just like that. And dip your tart press in flour between each press. That'll keep your dough from sticking. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Fill the tarts almost to the top with the pumpkin pie filling. And these are going to bake in 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Just until the pumpkin's set and the crust is puffy and golden brown. Okay, into the oven they go. Now they're cooled. Top these with a little bit of whipped cream and freshly grated nutmeg. And look at that. Don't they look delicious? Little bite-sized pumpkin pies. Hey, I don't know if you noticed, today I'm rocking my cozy fall sweatshirt from our exclusive foodie and griller apparel collection. Perfect for these crisp autumn days when you're cooking up delicious seasonal dishes. Check out the full collection. The link's below in the description. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I sure hope you make these pumpkin pie tarts because they are delicious. See ya!